walking in the sand. Didn't know that moment would change who I am. Just another evening, like any other day, till you smiled and waved at me, and my world changed. Paradise was never meant to last. These moments slip away too fast. Paradise was never meant to last, but I wouldn't change our past. Ooh, paradise slips away like waves upon the sand. Ooh, paradise fades away just like we planned. 2 weeks of pure magic under island stars, dancing at the bonfires, playing my guitar. You said it was perfect, living island style, but your ticket home was waiting all the while. Paradise was never meant to last. These moments slip away too fast. Paradise was never meant to last, but I wouldn't change our past. Listen, every day I walk these beaches alone, thinking about the way you made this island feel like home. Tourist season comes and goes, that's just how it be, but none of them could ever mean what you meant to me. Living in two different worlds, that's our reality. You got your life back there, and I got my family. Paradise was never meant to last, that's what they say, but your footprints in the sand won't wash away. Maybe someday you'll return back to where we met. Maybe time will bring you home. Nothing's over yet. Paradise was never meant to last, but my heart still holds on fast. Paradise was never meant to last. These moments slip away